how are you today? I'm getting ready to go out the door and get some photos taken for some cute outfits I got at the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. And I thought I would come to you today and show you the makeup that I also bought. So they have a lot of beauty products also on the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. And so today's makeup, almost everything I have on is from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale, and I'm going to share that with you today. Hello, I'm Tania Stevens. I'm the face behind 50 is Not Old, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I help women feel more confident in their age by using fashion and beauty as my tools. So please be sure to like and follow, and if you enjoy this video, I always appreciate a comment or a share. So let's get started with the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale beauty products that I use for today's look. And also, I'm going to share with you my 10 favorite fashion items that I bought from this sale. So scroll to the end, watch to the end, be sure to catch those details. All the links will be in the descriptions. You sometimes have to click the little V that says, or it says see more, and that's where you will find all the links. Let's get started. Now I want to tell you before I start that a few of the products aren't from the Nordstrom sale. They're just products that I use every day. So those products won't be listed with Nordstrom. And one of the very first ones is my Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid. So this is what I use for foundation, although it is just a skincare that is tinted. That's what I use every day. Other than that, I think most of them are, but I'll be sure to let you know if they aren't. So let's get started. Okay, I just use a tiny bit of product on the brush. I mix two different colors. That way I have lighter in the winter time when my skin is lighter color, and I use more of the dark shade in the summertime when I have a tan. This helps me to create the color I need. Now for the Trish Mcevoy Lift Brightening Set. This is a matte product that can go on the eyelids. It is a primer of sorts, and I just put it over the eyelid and in the corners of my eye, and then I use a brush to fill in, and it goes all over the entire lid. I don't have to put the color all over the entire lid, but I blend it over the entire lid. Then I use my sponge to get rid of excess product. Next, I'm using the Eye Lift, I think it's called. I'm not sure, but I do it in a V and then use the same brush to blend it out. That is the way I usually use product, but here is another way that people are using it recently, so I'm doing both ways for you, just in the corner of your eye and on the outside corner of your eye, and blend it. Which way looks best? Not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in a little bit. I'm gonna set it now with my Laura Mercier setting powder. You just put a tiny bit in the cap and then dab it all over your face. This helps set the cream and keep your other products from sticking to it, such as your blush, which happens to be coming up next. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury. I love this blush. I'm putting it just on the outside edge under my eye. I love this color. It's going to be great for fall. I may add a little brighter color because it's still summertime and I like a little rosier color on my cheeks in the summer, but this will be great for fall. Now this palette by Hourglass Ambient Lighting, I think, has a bronzer, which I'm putting under the blush I applied, and also on the bottom of my cheek line to chin line, because I have chubby cheeks and lots of chins. Now, let's add that tiny bit of rosier pinky color to my cheeks, make them show up a little bit better for summer. This came with the Charlotte Tilbury blush. It is a highlighter, and I forgot to open up the bottom of it to make it work. Anyway, you just apply the highlighter. Oh, and look at that sheen. You can see it really does well, just a tiny bit, and then you can close the lid back up to keep it from coming out. I always apply it to the Cupid's bow there on your lip also to have a little extra sheen. This is also by Charlotte Tilbury. It is Cream Eye Set, and I'm using the rosy pink on my eyelid and lining underneath my eye, and I just blend that in with my finger. It is such a beautiful color. And then you can go under your eye and outside corner with the darker shade, and once again just use your finger to blend it, and look how you can go up the side and create that darkness there. I just put a couple of dots in the crease and then blend those in. Look how that, oh, I just love this. Love this set. I didn't know that I would, but I do love it. Now let's move on to, oh, the eyeliner. I forgot. So this is a set by MAC. It is an eye palette. It's got gorgeous shades for fall. Love those colors. And it comes with a toffee colored eyeliner and then a mascara. So I'm just going to line the eyes gently. I love the toffee color. It's not harsh, so it's a brown pretty color. And then I always swipe up on the edges to lift my eyes. I forgot to add my highlighter to my eyeshadow. So I'm using this. This is not from the Nordstrom sale. This is actually from Walmart. It's a brand called By Terry, and the color is Blonde Opal. I'll list that too. And then I'm just applying the mascara. Whenever you're using your mascara, don't pump your wand into your mascara. That dries it out. Always go round and round and round to get mascara on your brush. Keep that from drying out. Perfect. And then I still forgot to add that highlighter underneath my eyebrows. This raises your eyes, and then I can blend in, blend down to my other eyeshadow. I'm using the same eyeliner, and I'm just very lightly applying it to my brows to get the outline. Fill in just a tiny bit. This is a little darker than what I normally use, but I'm using what I had. Here's another set by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Pillow Talk lip set, and it is gorgeous, gorgeous, a perfect nude. I just outline my lips with this lip liner, and you can use this with another shade, any shade pretty much of lipstick, because it is a nude, and I love that. And then here is the lipstick itself. And in the set also came a balm. So there's the shade of the lipstick, and then here is a lip balm, which I really like. I'm just gonna apply it here because it gives a little extra gloss to the lipstick, but you don't have to apply it. You can take that, put that in your purse, and have that at any time. Finally, let's set the makeup with my MAC setting spray, and that keeps your makeup good for the whole day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now I'm out the door, well, get out of my robe, and I'm out the door to go put on some clothes, take photos, and have a wonderful day. I hope your day is great too. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, follow. Have a great day.